Hello student, today we discuss how to derive the third and fourth column of the character table. In last two videos we see how to derive the first and second column, that is the characters and the Mulliken symbol. Now we see the third and fourth column. The third column represents the Cartesian coordinates or rotation axis corresponding to the irreducible representation, and the fourth column represents the square of that Cartesian coordinate or the binary product of that Cartesian coordinates. Now we discuss for the third column. For the third column, before we see that head of vector or arrow, this is the most important thing to derive the third and fourth column. Head of the vector or the head of the arrow. If the direction of head of vector or arrow changes, then the character is -1. If does not changes, then character is +1. Consider a vector along z axis. Z axis जर तुम्ही घेतला, if we take the z axis, the identity does not change the direction of the head of vector. See here, this is the water molecule and this is the z axis. The direction of that head of this vector, that is the z axis, this arrow does not change, that is this is the +1 for identity. Also it is not changed for the C2, then also for C2 is +1. Then for sigma v xz and sigma v yz, it is also not changed, that is +1 and +1. That is all are the +1. That is this vector z is belongs from the A1 group, or vector z is present in the A1. That is the Cartesian coordinate for A1 is the z. Cartesian coordinate for A1 is the z. This is for the vector along the z axis. Now we see the vector along the x axis. Vector along x axis. The direction of head of vector x changes by C2 and sigma v xz. जर तुम्ही x axis वरती जर ऑपरेशन केलं, this is the x axis, then the direction of C2 and sigma v yz changes, that is these are the -1 and identity is +1. Also sigma v xz is +1. आयडेंटिटी आणि सिग्मा व्ही एक्स झेड काय असणार आहे तर +1 आणि C2 आणि सिग्मा व्ही वाय झेड काय असणार आहे -1. अँड दिस इज बिलॉंग्स फ्रॉम दी दिस B1. B1 is the x. The Cartesian coordinate for the B1 is the x. Then we see next vector on the y axis. That is, when we operate this vector on the y axis, then the direction of C2 and sigma v xz changes. That is, this C2 is -1, character of C2 is -1 and character of sigma v xz is -1, and for character of identity is +1 and character of sigma v yz is also +1. That is, this belongs from the this B2. This in A1 Cartesian coordinate is z, in B1 Cartesian coordinate is x, and in B2 Cartesian coordinate is y. This is about the Cartesian coordinate or the vectors x, y, z. Then now we see the rotation axis, because third column is about the vectors or the rotation axis. Rotation axis means rx, ry and the rz. Rotation axis are the rx, ry and rz. The these rx, ry and rz. Rx is belongs from the B2, ry is belongs from the B1 and rz is belongs from the A2. And this kind, if we apply the rotation axis on the z axis, when we apply the rotation axis on the z axis, then the direction of sigma v xz and sigma v yz changes. Sigma v xz and sigma v yz changes. These both are the -1, and the direction of on identity and C2 does not changes. Therefore, these are the +1, and this is the A2. Therefore, in A2, rotation axis is the Rx. Rotation axis is RZ. In A2, rotation axis is RZ. Then for Rx, in Rx, the direction of C2 and sigma Vxz changes. C2 and sigma Vxz changes. That is, these are the -1. That is, here rotation axis is Rx, and Ry, rotation axis on the y axis, the direction of C2 and sigma v yz changes. Sigma v yz changes. That is, these are the -1 and 2 are the +1, and therefore it is belongs from the B1. That is here Ry. Okay, this is the third column of the character table. Now we discuss about the fourth column of the character table. That is the direct product or the binary product or the squares of the Cartesian coordinates. First we see the x square. This is the squares of the Cartesian coordinate, x squares. Now we know the x is 1. X is this 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 1. Square of that x square is the 1 plus 1, 1 and 1, and this is the A1. This is the A1. Then y square also same. Y is the 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, and square of that y square is 1, 1, 1, 1. That is, this is also the A1, and z square is also, z is the 1, 1, 1, and the square of that is same, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is the all x square, y square, z square, all squares are the A1. That is, the fourth column is x square, y square and z square. Now we see the binary product. Now we see the binary product. That is, the binary product means the xy, xz and yz. The binary product of the xy, xz and the yz. The xy is the, for identity, x is the, for identity, x is 1, y is +1. Then is equal to 1. Then for C2, x is minus 1 into, for y is C2 is minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Then for sigma v xz, x is 1 and y is minus 1, that is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then for sigma v yz, x is minus 1 and y is plus 1, that is it is also minus 1. That is the x into y is 1, 1, minus 1 and minus 1. 1, 1, minus 1 कशासाठी तर a2 साठी. That is this is the binary product x y. x y binary product is belongs from the a2. Okay. Then for yz, xz, x is b1 and z is a1. 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then sigma v xz, 1 into 1, 1. And sigma v yz, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. That is, this is the 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. That is, this is b1. Means the binary product of b1 is the xz. Okay. Then yz. Next is yz. Y means b2 and z means a1. Okay. Y means b2 and z means a1. Then for identity, 1 into 1 is 1. Then for C2, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then for sigma v xz, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then for sigma v yz, 1 into 1 is 1. That is, this is 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. That is, this is a b2. Means b2 having binary product is yz. Okay. This is the third and fourth column of the character table. This is the fourth column character table. First column for the Mulliken symbol, second column for the characters, third column for the Cartesian coordinates, that is the vectors j, x, y, z, and the rotation axis rx, ry, and rz. And the third is the fourth column for the squares or the binary products of the Cartesian coordinate, that is x square, y square, z square, and xy, xz, and the yz. Today we stop here. In next lecture we see the total reducible representation. Now we stop here.